Wait, dude, I'm not. I was literally not even ready yet.
Oh, it's red.
Condolences, private parts.
I was not even ready yet, man. Oh wait, we have the same pieces. What do you mean you got the worst roll?
No,
You
no,
had the same.
bro.
You had the same pieces, man.
No, we don't, bro. I don't know what you're talking about, bro.
You use
I
it
don't
as an
know what you're talking
excuse,
about, bro.
man.
I don't know.
No.
Use this as an excuse, dude. Gotta keep on. Keep my
You got a
stuff.
hawk chewy. Got a hawk chewy. You got a hawk chewy.
Alright,
Hawk
What's
tool is
that?
a hawk tool.
what?
What's that? You spamming that thing?
Hawk tool and a
Yeah.
hawk tool.
You know I'd be listening to the Talk to a podcast.
You spamming that
Tool,
thing?
bro.
Oh, here we go. Here come the waterworks.
Well, today's gonna be the day where I might throw it back to you. Oh shit, I messed up. Nope, you know, sometimes you're just gonna make happy mistakes.
Yeah, like what Bobbeth and Ross says.
But it's part of Tetris. You know, it's part of the life cycle.
It's part of the game, really.
You know what I mean? Mistakes are a part of it.
Sigma line.
What makes you as a human person, you know?
They're really
You don't hawk tool? I don't hawk tool.
What am I placing? What is happening? Why is it going so fast? Why is mine so fast and yours is so slow? What's happening? Alright.
How did you lose?